Alright guys, Dan here from SIA Property Services, and I'm just doing a quick review for expert trades on the Monument OMATs. So I'm just getting set up to do a bit of soldering now, and you can see I've used them a couple of times, but a few features of them. You've got the little flap, you can see that little flap underneath to stop obviously a bit of heat passing through, because you've got the whole, the little one off, with the little one off, so you can show you a little bit better. So underneath it's got the little flappy bit, just stops the heat getting through when you've got it wrapped around your part. It's got a little hook or an eye on the top to, I suppose you can hang it. I mean, I'll hang it in the van using that and I'm not using it, but it also comes in if you're soldering a bit higher up a pipe. So I've been using them, you can see a few scorch marks on it, but as yet they've been pretty spot on. Although just be careful, because I've just caught myself on the staple that I had them fixed together originally. Okay. But yeah, I'm not going to bore you with actual soldering, but I'll show you afterwards that there's no scorch or heat marks on anything behind, and I'm sure we can stitch that together after. Right, so typically, as with these things, I've done the joint, but it was a terrible joint. Soldering and everything, just a bit messy. So rather than being ripped by my peers, I thought I'll just rig this up, get the blowtorch on, so you can see from there around the joint, putting plenty of heat on it. And we're straight onto a plasterboard wall. And not a mark on the wall. So I think that shows for itself that it certainly does its job. And that's probably the better way to do it than showing my terrible, messy joints. Sorry about that. But yeah, I'm sure you can stitch this together and make a decent review of it. But yeah, thanks for Expert Trades for sending them out to me. Certainly making good use of them, and yeah, Monument Tools again, really good. Never had a problem with it yet, so hope to continue to get some reviews in for them. Cheers guys.